everybody, how's it going? We just got our DVD here. We burned it. Pictures of the church. We're going to throw up on the TV out in front of the farmer's market stand. So when everybody walks by, wow, woo, ah, let's check it out. You know what I'm saying? So tell me if you like it or not. Leave your opinion down in the comment box. I'll flip it up on the TV. Hey everybody, it's Crap-Shoot here. Just got a brand new DVD burn with some pictures of the shirt showing how we make it. The idea is we're going to throw it up on the TV in front of the stand out in front of the markets so it catch people's eyes as they walk by. They might want to buy something. So leave your comments down below and let me know what you think. Check it out. Here's a DVD we put together. We're going to have this TV out in front of the stand in front of the farmer's market.
Has allowed the communication of ideas, enabling human beings to work together to build the impossible. Mankind's greatest achievements have come about by talking. Our greatest hopes will become reality in the future. With the technology at our disposal, the possibilities are unbounded. All we need to do is make sure we keep talking.
That's going to look awesome in front of the stand.